Wouldn't it be amazing if you could go from crumbling or missing teeth to a beautiful new smile all in one day? That can't be possible. Or could it? Welcome to Shady Spring Dental Care. Today we're excited to introduce you to Smile Today, sometimes called all-on-4 dental implants. This groundbreaking procedure is designed to restore your smile quickly and effectively. Before we start, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons. This really helps us out, so we appreciate you working those thumbs out for us. Now let's talk about Smile Today and dental implants. What makes Smile Today implants unique? It's time to learn how we use strategically placed implants to support a full set of replacement teeth. Smile Today implants use 4 or more strategically placed implants to support a full set of replacement teeth. This procedure is a game changer for those with missing teeth, providing a stable and lasting solution that enhances both function and aesthetics. Why choose Smile Today same-day implants? Let's discover the benefits of fewer implants, lower costs, and same-day smiles. One of the main benefits of Smile Today implants is cost effectiveness, as fewer implants are needed, plus most patients leave our office with fully attached implant teeth the same day, allowing you to enjoy your new smile immediately without a lengthy waiting period. But what are the steps to Smile Today or all-on-4 implants? Let's discuss. Step 1, consultation and planning. We begin with a thorough consultation and 3D images to plan the procedure tailored to your specific needs. Step 2, implant placement. Next, we place 4 or more implants in a single visit, ensuring a strong foundation for your new teeth. Step 3, the temporary bridge. After the implants are placed, you'll receive a temporary bridge connected to your implants, allowing you to leave with a functional smile while you heal. Step 4, permanent restoration. After a few months of healing, we replace the temporary bridge with a custom permanent bridge secured to your dental implants, completing your new smile. You may be wondering, what are the advantages of Smile Today same-day teeth replacement? Smile Today implants are a fantastic option for those needing full arch restorations, with the ability to restore your smile quickly and efficiently. It's an excellent choice for patients looking to regain confidence and improve their quality of life. Interested in seeing if Smile Today or all-on-4 might be an option for you? Then schedule a hassle-free consultation at Shady Spring Dental Care today.